Designing a product catalog used to mean weeks of manual work and endless formatting headaches. But that all changes today because I'm going to show you how to use Vengage's special AI catalog generator to turn a simple prompt into a professional, brand-ready product that you can showcase in just a few clicks. If you run an e-commerce store or a small business, this is the ultimate product hack for 2026. We're now logged into our own personal Vengage account, and we're going to talk you through the AI catalog generator and show you just how seamless and easy it is. What's brilliant about Vengage is that it lets you go from a single, well-crafted prompt to a stunning, professional design in minutes, saving you loads of time and money. You no longer need to worry about creating assets manually. This really is the perfect solution if you're a new e-commerce store, or perhaps you're just working on your own business and don't yet have a big budget to spend. You'll actually be able to afford this. The AI-generated template genuinely understands the hierarchy of products within the catalog. It really does organize your images and descriptions into a tidy, easy-to-read layout for your customers. It truly gets rid of that blank page problem that so many new designers face. Now, let's show you how the free AI catalog generator works in real time. Remember, the link is in the description and you can try this for free. Definitely worth giving it a go. So here it is, our single prompt. Summer 2026 tech collection with prices and descriptions. So we're going to go ahead and generate this right now. It'll automatically take us into our editor here, which is brilliant. Wow, this is actually coming together so quickly. So you can see it's working on it here on the left side of the screen, refining the collections, bringing up tech visuals. You can see it. It's coming together in real time. I mean, this would cost thousands of pounds and take hours and hours if you were to pay for it. Honestly, it's seriously impressive how quickly this is coming together. All right, here we go. So let's have a look. I've updated your design to feature the Summer 2026 tech collection. So here it is, the image as we can see. The design's really good. Let's have a look at the second page. It's got a bit of a summery vibe, outdoors, a girl in a summery dress just relaxing, smartphone there. It's been put together in a really nice way. Let's have a look at the very last one here as well in our tech innovation section. And again, it looks natural. It doesn't necessarily look AI generated. Seriously impressive. And now it comes up here and says, how does it look? So it asks you the question. The draft has been created, so once this is done, you have complete freedom to manually change or customize everything. You can change it yourself manually. You can prompt the AI. For example, if we just say something like this, that'll get the AI working on it. Okay, so have a look at this. Fantastic. So straight away, more of a beach bike. It's listened to what I said, and take a look at this. You can even shuffle the colors around actually. So if you're not immediately happy with this one, for example, we can shuffle it. Maybe even this one. I quite like this one as well. So you've got loads of different options there. And what's actually really nice is, say for example, we go over to the left side of the screen here and click on text. If we go to heading 1 there, you can actually type in text manually here. So if we just say, just for argument's sake, Summer Vibe 2026, we can basically put that in there. You can do a mix of AI and your own manual editing. Boom! There are also loads of different things you can do. There are icons you can play around with as well. You've also got images which you can add too. Say we want to add this wallet here. You've also got a nice little image library you can use. You can still generate images or search for images that are already in that library as well. So you've got so many tools right at your fingertips here. So while the AI creates the initial draft and the actual catalog there, you as the creator or business owner still have the power to make it 100% original and truly yours. Now there's a really cool feature here. You can actually ask the AI designer to suggest a new layout. It's a bit like a smart suggestions tool. So if you're having a bit of a mental block with your prompt, no worries, because there's a solution for that too. So we're going to go ahead and get a new suggestion for the layout. And there you go, 3 different options. All right, I like this one. So it's bringing up its own template based on what it suggests. And there it is, the Summer Tech Collection, right there on that last page. Really nice. We've also got some really good tools here in the AI tools section. So we're going to try a little AI rewrite. So for example, we just go to this segment here. Maybe we just want to change that little section there. So what we do is, if we go over here to the AI writing assistant, let's just say we want to elaborate a bit more. All right, and have a look there. I've updated the selected text box to read, experience lightning fast performance and intelligent AI integration for a truly powerful and seamless user experience. We also have an image generator as well. So let's go ahead and generate an image. Let's describe something. So let's pop that prompt in there and see what sort of image we can get from it. All right, so as we can see, we've got some lovely images that have just appeared here. Let's have a look. You can expand them. Say, for example, we want it to be up in the top corner there. What's really great as well is that you can mix up the color palettes. As we can see, we've got the deep navy here. But if we want to change it up, just over in the brand kit section, you can go ahead and easily experiment and shuffle around with different color palettes and styles. You can also actually apply the brand color scheme. So for example, this is based on Reddit, and you can basically apply that. And as you can see, it's been uploaded to look like Reddit. It's even got the little Reddit logo there. I love that. Super cool. Okay, so now we are onto the exporting segment as well. So it's really important that we do an AI accessibility checker, because if you don't, then your actual customer reach could be limited. You want to make sure that everything checks out okay, and that it's okay to publish out to as many people as we want. So we just go into the file section here, down to accessibility here, and hit check accessibility, and it's going to give you the ranking. Let's make your design accessible. So we're going to hit check my design. So you can actually see here immediately 12 issues detected. The text size fails, and there are certain things that actually do need review as well here. So this would basically give you the opportunity to go through and fix all of these issues before you actually publish it. So this is something that you definitely want to do before making that final export. Then once we've sorted everything out and we're happy with it, we can actually go ahead and hit download. As you can see, share, download, embed. So PDF, for example, which is ideal for accessibility, hyperlinks and printing, and we can just go ahead and hit download straight away like that. And it's as simple as that. Download complete, it's all sorted, and it will be ready to share with our customers. So entrepreneurs, business owners, what you're waiting for? Sign up today to get access to over 100 AI generators, with new tools being added every single week so you can keep stepping up your game. This really is your all-in-one complete design suite for all business products and needs, not just catalogs. Stop wasting hours on manual formatting and start scaling your business visuals today. Click the link in the description to try the AI catalog generator for free. And for a very limited time only, use my code 50ONOW, all in uppercase, to get 50% off an annual plan for Venngage Premium or Business.